This tutorial is the introduction to the role of product owner in the series of Agile Scrum roles by Lean Learning Lane channel. The product owner represents the voice of the customer and the business within the Agile team. They are accountable for maximizing product value by defining the vision, prioritizing work, and ensuring the team focuses on what matters most. Key responsibilities: owns and communicates the product vision, manages and prioritizes the product backlog, makes clear decisions on what to build next, collaborates closely with stakeholders in the Scrum team, ensures alignment between business goals and delivered value. In Agile, the product owner decides what gets built and why, while the team decides how to build it. Let's dive into the details of product owner's role in Agile methodology. Inside the Scrum Master and developers, the product owner is a core role within Scrum. Their focus is not on how the work is done, but on ensuring the team is building the right thing at the right time. Ownership of the product backlog. One of the product owner's primary accountabilities is maintaining the product backlog. The backlog is a living list of features, enhancements, fixes, and improvements that represent future work on the product. These items are typically ordered by importance and often expressed as user stories. While many people may contribute ideas or help refine backlog items, the product owner remains responsible for prioritization and clarity. The backlog should always reflect the most current understanding of customer needs, business goals, and technical constraints. Backlog ordering and product road mapping. Product owners continuously organize the backlog to keep upcoming work ready for future sprints. This requires thinking several iterations ahead so that the team can plan effectively without unnecessary delays. In collaboration with stakeholders and the Scrum team, product owners also help define a product roadmap. The roadmap provides a shared view of direction and progress, helping everyone stay aligned on long-term goals while navigating short-term delivery. Decision-making authority. Regardless of their official job title, product owners must be empowered to make decisions. They represent customer and business interests and ensure that trade-offs are made transparently and responsibly. This authority allows teams to move forward with confidence, knowing priorities are clear. What versus how. The product owner is responsible for product direction, what gets built and in what order. The Scrum team owns the technical approach and execution, how the work is done, and how much can realistically be delivered in a sprint. During sprint planning, the team selects the amount of work it believes it can complete. The product owner does not dictate workload or timelines, but collaborates with the team to align expectations based on estimates and capacity, clear goals, and availability. An effective product owner inspires the team by defining clear goals and explaining the purpose behind each backlog item. They remain accessible throughout the sprint to answer questions, clarify requirements, and support quick decision-making. In return for the team's focus during a sprint, the product owner protects the sprint goal by avoiding mid-sprint scope changes. Feedback and new ideas are welcome, but they are introduced thoughtfully through backlog refinement rather than disrupting active work. Who can become a product owner? Product owners often come from business, product management, marketing, UX, or domain expert backgrounds. The common thread is a strong understanding of users, market needs, and future trends. The exact profile varies by industry, but successful product owners share a clear vision and the ability to make informed decisions. Skills and traits of effective product owners. Strong product owners typically demonstrate availability, active engagement with the team on a daily basis. Business awareness, understanding customer value, market dynamics, and organizational goals. Communication skills, ability to explain priorities, handle difficult conversations, and align diverse stakeholders. Technical expertise can be helpful, but is not required. Scaling the role. In larger organizations, the scope of product ownership may expand beyond one individual. Some teams introduce supporting product owners or establish a chief product owner to maintain alignment across multiple teams while preserving clear accountability. Product owner versus project manager. Product owners differ from traditional project managers in several ways. They are part of the Scrum team rather than operating outside it. Accountability for success is shared across the team. They typically do not manage people directly. Plans adapt based on learning rather than resisting change. Project managers can transition successfully into product ownership by shifting focus from control to collaboration. Product owner versus Scrum master. The product owner focuses on product value and direction. The Scrum master focuses on process, collaboration, and continuous improvement. These roles serve different purposes and should remain separate to avoid conflicts of interest. Product owner versus business analyst. Business analysts often support product owners by researching requirements, refining backlog items, or exploring specific functional areas. While analysts may contribute significantly, prioritization and final decisions remain with the product owner. One product owner per product. Scrum relies on having a single product owner per product. Splitting the role, such as having both a business and technical product owner, creates confusion and weakens decision-making. Technical experts should be treated as key stakeholders whose input informs, but does not replace, product owner authority. Shared responsibility for success. The product owner is not a single point of blame. Scrum emphasizes shared accountability. Just as successful teams adapt together when challenges arise, Scrum teams collectively own outcomes. Sustainable success comes from collaboration, trust, and shared responsibility, not from isolating accountability to one individual. Product owner. Key takeaways. Owns product vision and value. Prioritizes and maintains the product backlog. Decides what to build, not how. Collaborate with stakeholders in the Scrum team. Sets clear goals and protects sprint focus. Requires authority, availability, and strong communication. Success is shared across the entire Scrum team. To conclude, the product owner ensures the Scrum team is always working on the most valuable work. They define the product vision, manage the product backlog, and make clear decisions about what to build and why. The product owner does not control how the work is done. That responsibility belongs to the Scrum team. When collaboration, clarity, and shared accountability are in place, Scrum teams succeed together. This concludes our presentation of product owner role in Agile methodology. Please like this video. Subscribe for more Agile and Scrum tutorials. Thank you.